We have to just hear this as sound, our ears hearing sound, picking up the vibrations, and then we are interpreting it as something we either like or we dislike. We want or we don't want. We try and get away from it or we go to it. If it's a nice tune, some nice music, we might want to hear it a bit louder. If it's something of an annoying nature, we'll want it to go away. This is just desire. We recognize this desire of either wanting or not wanting, liking or disliking, as either positive or negative. Either way, it is desire, and this is the cause of suffering. Identifying that cause of suffering is how we eradicate suffering, knowing that it isn't the sound itself, it is the not wanting the sound that is causing the suffering.